Hi guys, and welcome back to SkillsLoop bike maintenance with me, Adam. Hope you are all well and good. Today we're going to be going over brake lever adjustments and all the do's and don'ts. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, give that subscribe button a massive whack in and stay tuned. For this one, all you are going to need is either a 4mm or a 5mm Allen key. It's as easy as that. So guys, I want you to go and check your bike straight away. Does your brake lever look like this, or does it look like this? If it looks anything like that, you're doing it wrong. And here's why. I see all too often that people run their brake levers either too far in, too far out, or too high or too low. And this puts a massive stress onto the forearm, the hand, the fingers. Now, when you're going down a trail and you get down to the bottom and you're in absolute agony, this could be one of the kind of reasons why. So, what you want to do is make sure that when you are up in your attack position, the brake lever sits just nice and comfortable, so there's a nice curve here. What you don't want to be doing is having it too low, which is going to force the shoulders forwards and the chest and the head forwards. And you don't want it too high because you're going to be putting strain on that wrist. And this is a really delicate joint, so think about the kind of angles here. You want to have that curve nice and soft so you can move around nice and easy. Obviously, they're kind of single finger set up, but you want that so it's just going to sit on a nice curve just here like that. Next stage is the reach. So a lot of people run their brakes really far out, especially if you're a SRAM rider and you're trying to get the kind of bite point kind of correct. You'll be running the kind of levers out here, and what that does is forces your finger to point out, which again puts pressure onto the forearm. You want that that lever to sit right under the kind of index finger and be nice and comfortable. You don't want to be stretching for it. You don't want it too close to the bars. If you're finding that the brake lever is striking the middle finger, just kind of slide over the lever a touch, and that's just going to give you a bit more space. Ideally, you want your bite point to be about there, so about an inch away from the bar. It does take time to get there, but the closer your hand is to a fist, the kind of stronger it's going to be. We've got that brake set up, and we're happy with where everything is. We do get the same kind of both sides. What we want to do is measure the distance go between the grip and just transfer that onto the rear brake, just to make sure that both sides are exactly the same. And what we want to do then is just tighten that up just a touch, enough so it doesn't slide round, but not too tight that if we should crash, it doesn't move. So just give it a pull. If it doesn't move, loosen it up a touch, give it a pull. There you go. So if I crash now, I know the kind of lever is going to move round and not snap off, okay? And that's going to save you a lot of money down with the line. So I'm just going to line that back up again because I've just moved it. There we go. That looks about right. Put that little bit of nip back on. Make sure everything works fine. And happy days. Hope that's helped. It's just a quick run through, a quick little tip. Make sure that the brake levers ain't too high, too low, and that you're not stretching them for that lever. Okay, if any of those adjustments can't be done by a brake bleed, new pads, like sometimes people try and use all the pads. Once they start getting down by about 3/4, it just makes the kind of brake feel terrible. So dip into your pocket, get some new brake pads and get them fitted ASAP. So if you haven't already, check out skillsloop.com. We do have kind of gift vouchers for a pre-booking system. So if you're thinking about coaching with us at SkillsLoop, jump onto skillsloop.com, and if you've got any questions, info@skillsloop.com. Cover everything. As you can see, coaching, guiding, MTB holidays will be happening. It's all been a little bit weird with the kind of whole virus thing, events and team building. So get on board, guys. If you haven't already, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And of course, guys, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, share the love, and thanks for watching. Hope this has helped. It's helped me. It's gave me something good to do. So I do hope you appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys, and until the next one, I'll see you soon. Bye. Why do we have an anchor? Okay. Let's go. Right. Hi guys, welcome back to SkillsLoop. Hope you are all well and good. We are going to be going, but